Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking rendang paste. Rendang is voted as the world's best dish. However, cooking rendang is very time consuming and intimidating for some people. But wait, having batches of rendang paste in the freezer enables us to cook this delicious dish on the fly. Come along with me to see how this paste is prepared. First, let's harvest the spices that I grow in my garden. This is kaffir lime leaves. Select fresh, deep green, glossy leaves with strong, unique citrusy aroma. This is my turmeric patch. And to select good quality turmeric leaf, choose fresh leaf that is light green, not wilted, and has a spicy lemon scent when cut or torn. This turmeric patch has been with me. I've grown it for many years and it has faithfully provided me with all my fresh turmeric needs for my many recipes throughout the years. To choose a fresh turmeric root, select one that is plump, firm, and has a bright orange color. There you go. I need this amount for my recipe. Welcome to my galangal bush. My galangal plant is very easy to grow and it does not need a lot of tender living care. Choose one that is firm, heavy and plump with smooth, pale skin and has young pink shoots. Avoid the hard and woody galangal, which will be more fibrous and challenging to cut and grind. So here are all the spices that are needed for my spice paste. I will name each one as I load each into my blender. We need to blend them. So we'll start off by blending the lemongrass, the chilies. The chilies are deseeded and the lemongrass, I just took the white parts of it. We will blend in batches. So add a little bit of water to help with the blending process. Okay, here we go. So our plan is to blend it until it is thick, smooth and creamy. Just pour it and put it aside. Let's go on to blend the second half of our spices, namely the galangal, which I have sliced thinly. This is the one that we have harvested. We also need candlenuts, turmeric roots, roughly chopped, garlic, roughly chopped. Bombay onions, also roughly chopped. Shallots, roughly chopped. Add a bit of water to help with the blending process. Okay, yes, again, it has been blended until it is thick, smooth and creamy, something like this. Okay, let's put it aside as well. Now this is dried chili paste which I have bought from the supermarket already made like this. So if you cannot find this, you can substitute with 8 tablespoons of dried chili powder and mix it with enough water to form a paste like this. Mix everything well together. So let's stir fry our paste. We start off by stir frying our fennel seeds. We need to stir fry the fennel seeds for a couple of minutes over medium-low heat until fragrant and slightly dark in color. Then we pour in our paste. So we are going to stir fry this paste for approximately 30 minutes over medium-low heat. so we need to constantly stir fry it to prevent burning. So 5 minutes later, you can see that the paste is a bit drier. So this is the time to put in our turmeric leaf. Just tear into shots like this. So turmeric leaf is very characteristic of rendang. So if you can get it, good. But if you can't, so maybe you can omit it. Yep, you can get it from the local supermarket, or you can get it from the, the fresh market. I also added a little bit of lime leaves, about 10 of them, and I bruised them before I put it in. So 10 minutes later, you can see that it is even drier. So this is the time for us to add the cumin powder and the coriander powder. So continue to stir fry. And 20 minutes later, we are going to add the other ingredients. This is KERISIK. It is a rich, toasty ingredient made from grated coconut that has been toasted until golden brown and then pounded into a fragrant oil paste or butter. It adds a nutty, caramelized flavor and a creamy texture to our rendang paste. So aside from KERISIK, we also need to add brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can add white sugar. Tamarind paste. And also we need to add salt. So continue to stir fry. So at this point, we have to be a bit more diligent in stir frying because it's now drier, so we do not want it to get burnt. So 30 minutes later, you can see that our paste has dried significantly. The paste has darkened in color, the oil separates from the paste, and you can smell the nutty scent of KERISIK, citrusy fragrance of lemongrass, and the subtle warmth from the other spices. So we are done. So you fill and store the paste in small airtight containers. They can last about 1 to 2 weeks in the refrigerator and can last for a few months in the freezer. On the day that you wish to cook rendang, all you have to do is to saute this paste until fragrant, add your meat, add coconut milk, and cook until the dish is dry and the flavors have melded. Rendang is best served with steamed rice. Check out the link in the description box below for my rendang chicken recipe. This rendang paste is such a versatile flavor base that it can also be used as meat marinades before roasting, can be added to stir fries or added into rice or noodles to achieve a complex and spicy flavor. Do give this paste a try someday. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!